Shadowing practice for beginners. Before start, please subscribe this channel. Okay, let's start. Listen and repeat at the same time. Do not pause, do not translate. Keep your voice moving with the speaker. Focus on rhythm, stress, and clarity. Hello, how are you today? I am doing well, and I hope you are doing well too. Today, I am going to practice speaking English clearly and confidently. I will listen and repeat at the same time. I will not stop and I will not translate. I will follow the sound, the rhythm, and the flow. I will keep going even if I make mistakes. I wake up early in the morning and I start my day with a simple routine. I drink a glass of water, I take a deep breath, and I prepare my mind for learning. I say to myself, I can do this, I will improve, and I will keep going. I open my window and I look outside. The air is fresh, the sky is clear, and I feel calm and focused. I walk to the kitchen and I make a cup of tea or coffee. I move slowly and carefully. I pay attention to each step. I boil the water, I pour it into a cup, and I wait for a moment. I smell the aroma and I feel relaxed. I take a small sip and I enjoy the warmth. After that, I sit at my desk and I start my practice. I choose a simple audio. I listen first and then I repeat at the same time. I follow every word, every sound, and every pause. I try to match the speaker's speed and tone. I do not worry about mistakes. I keep going and I stay focused. Today is a new day and I am ready to learn. I will practice my English step by step. I will listen carefully and I will speak clearly. I will stay calm and I will stay confident. I know that practice will help me improve. I go outside for a short walk. I look around and I describe what I see. I see people walking on the street. I see cars moving slowly. I see trees and buildings. I describe everything in simple English. I say, there is a man walking. There is a car passing by. The sky is blue. The air feels cool. I continue walking and I keep speaking. I do not stop. I do not think too much. I just speak. I say simple sentences again and again. I repeat them with better pronunciation each time. I feel more comfortable with every step. When I return home, I sit down again and I continue my practice. I choose another short audio. I listen and repeat at the same time. I try to improve my pronunciation. I focus on the sounds of each word. I notice how the speaker connects words together. I say, I am learning English every day. I am improving step by step. I am becoming more confident. I am not afraid of mistakes. Mistakes help me learn. Mistakes help me grow. I practice common sentences. I say, how are you? What are you doing? Where are you going? I repeat these questions many times. I try to say them smoothly and naturally. I focus on my tone and my rhythm. I imagine a conversation with a friend. I say, hello, how are you today? My friend says, I am fine, thank you. I say, what are you doing now? My friend says, I am working on a project. I say, that sounds interesting. I continue the conversation in my mind. I keep practicing. I keep repeating. I keep improving. I stay focused and I stay positive. In the afternoon, I take a short break. I relax my mind and my body. I take a deep breath and I feel calm. After a few minutes, I start again. I continue my shadowing practice. I listen and repeat at the same time. I say, I like learning English. It is fun and useful. I can communicate with people from different countries. I can understand movies and songs. I can express my ideas clearly. I practice describing my daily activities. I say, I wake up early. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I eat breakfast. I go to work or school. I meet people and I talk to them. I come home and I relax. I repeat these sentences again and again. I try to make them sound natural. I focus on my pronunciation and my fluency. I practice speaking about my feelings. I say, I feel happy today. I feel excited about learning. I feel confident and strong. I feel calm and relaxed. I express my emotions clearly. I continue my practice in the evening. I listen to another audio. I repeat every sentence. I match the speed and the tone. I stay focused and I keep going. I say, Learning English takes time and patience. I will not give up. I will keep practicing every day. I will improve little by little. I practice simple conversations again. I say, "What is your name?" "My name is John." "Where are you from?" "I am from a small town." "What do you do?" "I am a student." "I study every day." I repeat these conversations many times. I try to sound natural and confident. I practice asking and answering questions. I say, "What time is it?" "It is 3 o'clock." "What are you doing?" "I am studying." "Where are you going?" "I am going to the store." I continue speaking without stopping. I keep my voice active. I keep my mind focused. I say, "I am getting better every day. I can speak more clearly. I can understand more easily. I feel more confident." I practice describing objects around me. I say, "This is a chair. It is comfortable. This is a table. It is brown. This is a book. It is interesting." I repeat these sentences and I improve my pronunciation. I practice speaking about the weather. I say, "Today is sunny. The sky is clear. The temperature is warm. It feels nice outside." I continue my practice. I do not stop. I do not think too much. I just speak. I say, "I am proud of myself. I am making progress. I am learning something new every day." I practice more sentences. I say, "I like reading books. I enjoy watching movies. I love listening to music. I like talking to my friends." I repeat everything with better clarity each time. I say, "I will continue this practice tomorrow. I will keep improving. I will not give up." I finish my day with a positive thought. I say, "I did my best today. I practiced well. I am happy with my progress." I take a deep breath and I relax. I feel calm and satisfied. I will continue tomorrow. I will keep practicing. I will keep improving. Because your English journey starts now.